Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI generation. Buckle up, because we're about to explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping content creation.
Let's explore how to use the Bing Image Creator, which leverages an updated version of OpenAI's DALL-E model. This tool allows you to generate images by simply typing a few words. Here's a beginner's tutorial. Okay. Now open the Microsoft Edge from your desktop or laptop. And click from the search bar and type it, Bing AI Image Generator. Click from the first link. 1. Enter your prompts. In the provided text box, type a prompt or description for the image you want to generate. Two. Preview AI-generated image results. The AI will process your prompts and create an image based on them. Explore the generated images and choose the one that best fits your vision. 3. Download your AI-generated image. Once you're satisfied with the result, download the image. You can use it for various purposes, such as social media, blog posts, or creative projects.
What is AI generation? AI generation refers to the process of using artificial intelligence algorithms to create content. From text and images to videos and music, AI can generate high-quality, original material faster than ever before. Applications of AI generation. Let's talk applications. AI generation is revolutionizing industries. Think personalized marketing campaigns, automated content creation, and even AI-generated art. It's like having a creative assistant that never sleeps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay curious.